Hello, and welcome to this video. If you are new here, be sure to check out our channel for more tools like this. This tutorial is continuation of GRACE CLI, so make sure you are already familiar with it. If not, check out the video and link is in the description. Before we begin, make sure to locate the repo files, the pre-trained model files, as well as your input. Also make sure that Docker is up and running. Today, we will discuss two new features. 1. Custom arguments for the tool. Pause the video here to explore it more. And 2. Docker support to easily utilize this tool. Let us start by copying the build command as seen in the video. To use Docker run or compose, build image is required either using Docker build command or using the official Docker image as shown in the README. We will use Docker run as seen in the video. You may customize the flags per your need. If your input is not located in current working directory, make sure to bind it in the run command. Also, to use the Docker compose, you need to add the same command to the Docker compose file. You can locate the results in the outputs folder if you have not used the output path flag. Following is the segmentation output. Thank you for watching this video.